Welcome back to How Car USA, where we explore cars built for real life, not hype. And today we are taking a detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser, a modern icon that has been carefully reinvented. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser marks a clear shift in direction for one of the most respected sport utility vehicles in the world. This new generation is smaller and more approachable than the model it replaces. Yet it remains deeply focused on durability, off-road capability, and long-term reliability. Built on the same platform as the Lexus GX, the new Land Cruiser blends classic toughness with modern refinement. Its reduced size makes it easier to live with during daily driving, while still delivering the confidence and strength expected from the Land Cruiser name. Pricing plays a major role in the Land Cruiser's new positioning. For the 2026 model year, prices start at $58,695 United States dollars and can rise to $63,540 depending on trim and options. This places the Land Cruiser closer to off-road focused rivals like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler, rather than large family-oriented SUVs. Buyers who need 3 rows of seating or maximum cargo space will need to consider alternatives like the Toyota Sequoia. Under the hood, Toyota has fully modernized the Land Cruiser. The traditional large engine has been replaced with a hybrid powertrain. At its core is a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. Together, this system produces 326 horsepower. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission to a full-time 4-wheel drive system. This setup includes low-range gearing, a locking center differential, crawl control, and hill descent control, ensuring the Land Cruiser remains highly capable on challenging terrain. On the road, the Land Cruiser feels calmer and more composed than many off-road focused competitors. The hybrid system delivers strong low-speed torque, which is especially helpful when climbing hills or navigating rough trails. At times, the electric assistance can feel slightly inconsistent due to the relatively small battery. Even so, the overall driving experience is smooth and noticeably quieter than vehicles like the Bronco or Wrangler, especially during highway cruising. In performance testing, the Land Cruiser reaches 60 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. Slower than the Lexus GX 550, but still respectable for a vehicle designed around capability rather than speed. Towing capability is another strong advantage. When properly equipped, the 2026 Land Cruiser can tow up to 6,000 pounds. This exceeds the towing capacity of most Bronco and Wrangler variants, making it a versatile choice for owners who plan to tow trailers, boats, or recreational gear. Fuel efficiency is also improved compared to older generations. Estimated figures stand at 22 miles per gallon in the city, 25 on the highway, and 23 combined. Though real-world results may vary depending on driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Land Cruiser is a 2-row 5-seat SUV. The interior focuses on clarity, durability, and ease of use rather than excessive luxury. The base 1958 trim includes heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a simple straightforward audio system. Higher trims add ventilated front seats, a larger touchscreen display, upgraded materials, and available leather upholstery. Cargo space is practical, offering room for 17 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats, and up to 31 suitcases with the seats folded. Technology is modern and user-friendly. Every Land Cruiser comes with Toyota's latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB-C ports, and a wireless charging pad. Higher trims add a premium JBL audio system and a larger central display, enhancing the everyday driving experience without unnecessary complexity. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser successfully balances heritage, modern efficiency, and everyday comfort. It remains true to its off-road roots, while becoming easier to live with on daily roads. for drivers who want real capability, durability, and long-term peace of mind. The new Land Cruiser stands out as one of the most well-rounded off-road capable SUVs available today. Thanks for watching How Car USA. If you enjoyed this honest and detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, so you never miss our latest car reviews, comparisons, and future vehicle updates.